Hello, this is Tomer, the co-founder of the Digital Reach platform, and today we're going to go over an amazing tool to help you with your social media, and it's called anyimage.io. So what it does is that it helps you create clickable social cards. So I don't know if you guys been, I'm sure you've on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, you see these images that you can click and it redirects you to a website. Those are what clickable social cards are. I know there might be some individuals or websites that are not adapt to being able to do that. You can add great call to actions with these clickable social cards. And statistically speaking, they actually have a higher click-through rate versus generic link post on, or I guess link plus image posts on social media. So adding these, it basically offers you another option to allow to redirect somebody to your website or to a landing page that you want to send them to. That's why this is such a great tool. It's free to an extent. I believe you get up to 10 of them for free. I may be wrong, but I do know there's a paid version where you can change the domain name. And I'm going to just quickly show you where you can use it for. Its primarily use is for Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. And you'll see right here, this is where the image preview is, and you're going to be able to play around with it. This is where your URL would be, and so forth. So this is a great tool, like I said, to really boost your click-through rate. Hopefully, hopefully the engagement rate later on, maybe that'll come. But so far, let's start off. I'm going to do drop image. So I'm going to drop my image right here, and we'll start off with that. So I'm going to browse my files, and I'm going to click this one right here. I just did it for an example purpose. And right now it's computing. It's going to quickly, yep, here we go. So these are the four options. So you see that you have up to 115 characters for your title, 140 for your description, and here's the destination URL. And I'll go over some, techniques and that you can go around the destination URL, because if it's not paid, they actually show you this at the bottom of the URL. So I don't know if it's not super attractive, but we can go over that. So I'm just going to say digital want to, I'll say the title will be want to improve your social media marketing. There you go. And you can see down here, want to improve your social media marketing. And the description will be contact us for your free social media audit. I'm going to scroll back down. You see right down here. And finally, the destination URL, because I want them to contact us. I'm going to send them to my website, digitalreachplatform.com. Now, here's something what you can do. So you can change actually the card size, and if you look down here, it says digitalreachplatform.com.thumbs.top. Now, this is where I'm going to talk about how you can kind of go around that. It's always going to be redirected to that link, which sends you to the website, but you could actually use maybe a bit.ly, a URL shortener, to make it a little pretty, because when you post the link onto your Facebook, your Twitter, and your LinkedIn feed, it's actually going to show that. But if you use bit.ly, it'll end up showing bit.ly on the bottom, even though later on it'll go, when you click on the URL, it'll show actually bit.ly, then it'll go to that URL on the bottom, then it'll take you to that landing page. So it's a quick, it takes maybe a second, but still. And if you want, to get rid of that, you'd have to pay for the custom domain. But that I forgot how much something like that would cost. But if that's something you're very interested in, you can do it. And you can play around with the card size. So if the card size here is small, you can shift it a little bit here if you like. But I like having these big card sizes, and I'm going to play around with this. So here's Facebook. I'm going to change it here a little bit. Twitter, I like it. It's right there. That's fine. And here's LinkedIn. That is okay as well. So yeah, right. Pretty simple, self-explanatory right here. You can easily add their call to actions. Now you could, if you see on the bottom over here on LinkedIn, it's not showing our description, which is perfectly fine. Twitter, you have it. And Facebook, you have it. Now I'm going to show you exactly how it would look on Facebook. So let's click on finished, which is going to take you to another page in one moment. Here we go. Yep. So here is your clickable social card. And you can create a new card, create a similar card. You can share it right here, Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. And this is what I was talking about with the URL again. Let's copy that. Here's how to get the clickable social card working on Facebook. All you do is copy and paste the link. It's going to say fetching preview. And there you have it, right? Here's my URL. Want to improve your social media marketing? Contact us for your free social media audit. Then you just click post, and that's it. It's just it's that simple. That's all you have to do. If you like this video, please, like it. If you have any questions, please comment. And I'll get back to you. But yeah, please also subscribe if you like this video and you want to see more of our videos in the future. And until next time, I'm signing off.